A keyboard vacuum is a remarkably helpful tool for anyone who frequently uses a keyboard, especially for those who tend to eat at their computers. The space underneath and between the keys of a keyboard accumulates dust, cigarette ash, and food crumbs over time, which can shorten the lifespan of a keyboard, cause keys to stick, gum up the mechanics of better designs, and can attract things like ants and cockroaches as well. What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best keyboard vacuum cleaner in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. BRIDGEEYE Mini Vacuum Air Duster. Mini Vacuum Cleaner, Air Duster and Hand Pump 3-in-1. One end of the machine is connected to the nozzle for vacuuming and connected to the vacuum slot, which turns into a hand pump for travel, and your vacuum storage bags are airtight vacuum packed, while the other end is connected to the nozzle for blowing dust. 4 crevice tools: mini brush, flat nozzle, hose and blow nozzle, which are practical crevice tools that can be used to clean hard to reach areas. Smaller size, stronger suction. The small hand vacuum has a length of 8.5 in, a diameter of 2.6 in, and a weight of 1 pound. But its motor has 80 W power and can provide 4 kPa cyclone suction. It may be the smallest of all cordless vacuum with a suction of more than 4 kPa. Reliable lithium battery technology and long battery life. The tiny vac has built-in 25 mAh lithium battery. Passes 500 charge cycles tests. Could provide a long running time for work and only needs 3 minutes 4 hours to be fully charged each time. Reusable and washable filter. The USB vacuum adopts dust container design, and its filter meets high-efficiency particulate air standard. It is easy to empty, replace, and clean. Number 2. AFMAT Cordless Air Duster. Powerful Cordless Air Duster. Our AFMAT air duster is proud of its capacity to produce a powerful thrust of air at almost 10 levels strong gale for deep cleaning of the microscopic dust, such as printed circuit boards to computers, electronic instruments, medical devices, which cannot be cleaned by your traditional wiper or duster. Its motor allows the maximum rotating speed to reach up to 33,000 RPM. Rechargeable electric air duster. Built-in large 6000 mAh rechargeable batteries allow this duster to run nearly 30 minutes continuously. Its compatibility of getting charged via the USB port makes it so easy to charge. With a reduced charging time of around 3 hours, its usability can be highly increased. Compared to common gas duster, this electric air duster is highly reusable with its rechargeable function. Alternative to compressed air, we all have the responsibility to save gas and water. To achieve this goal, we made this highly environment-friendly device, as it allows more than 5,000 times of use, resulting in saving a lot of energy. This mini duster is such a scientific device which keeps cleanliness hand in hand with eco-friendliness. Number 3. BRIDGEEYE Mini Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight and portable. The tiny vacuum cordless, weighing only 356 grams, it may be the smallest of all cordless vacuum handheld with a suction force of more than 2 kPa. It is easy to carry and store and could be placed upright. Suction and blowing dual function. The cordless handheld vacuum has a smart design, which not only has enough cyclone suction and could be used on small areas like car interior, keyboard, workstation area, kitchen cabinets, but also could be used as a dust blower. One end of the machine is connected to the suction nozzle for vacuuming. The other end is connected to the nozzle for blowing dust. Reliable lithium battery technology and long battery life. The cordless handheld vacuum has built-in 2000 mAh x 2 lithium battery. Passes 500 charge cycles tests. Could provide up to 20 minutes of battery life for the pet vacuum work, and only needs 3 minutes 4 hours to be fully charged each time. 3 crevice tools. The portable vacuum cleaner offers 3 interchangeable nozzles, which are practical crevice tools that can be used to clean hard to reach areas. Reusable and washable filter. The small handheld vacuum adopts dust container design, and its filter meets high-efficiency particulate air standard. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, and also easy to clean. Number 4. Compressed Air Duster. High voltage powerful electric duster. A Tengious electric air duster has powerful cleaning function. The maximum speed of the supermotor can reach 41000 RPM. Equipped with nozzle and cleaning brushes to deeply clean tiny dust. It is suitable for cleaning computers, camera lenses, PS5, and air conditioners, sofas, electronic equipment, medical equipment, etc. Cyclone Stepless Knob Switch Design. Air duster has a stepless knob switch design. The power supply and speed control button are integrated. You only need to click the power switch once to work. Through the stepless speed control design, it can be operated with only one hand. Turn to the left to reduce the wind, and turn to the right to add the wind. The nozzle or cleaning brush can be replaced as needed. Battery rechargeable air duster. Electric air duster has fast charging technology, equipped with Type-C USB charging port. Fully charged. After fully charged, it can work continuously for 15-30 minutes. The use time depends on the blowing force, which can be charged at any time through a laptop or mobile power supply. Dashing away cordless air duster. Handheld cordless air duster is 3.47 2.4 inches. It weighs only 0.68 pounds. Lightweight and small size. Wireless design and ergonomically designed handle. Comfortable to hold and space-saving. Convenient to carry around. Very suitable for use cleaning at home, in the office, or when traveling. Number 5. Compressed air duster and small vacuum. This is an upgraded version of PC Duster, adopted to the newest Hurricane supermotor. Its rotating speed increased to 60,000 RPM, which is twice that of the previous electric duster. In blower mode, it produces a powerful thrust of air at almost 10 levels strong gale. In vacuum mode, its suction reaches 8 kPa. This advanced AFMAT air duster and vacuum cleaner can deeply clean microscopic dust. Air blower and mini vacuum 2-in-1 add-up to advanced 2-in-1 technology of blowing and suction. This air duster is really helpful for you to not only blow the dust away, but also to suck them in, keeping the surface free of dirt. This air duster is suitable for cleaning computers, keyboards, cameras, electronic instruments, electronic components, car seat and interior, and so on. Rechargeable computer keyboard electronics cleaner. This electric air duster comes with 6000 mAh rechargeable batteries, offering you with 10W fast charging facility. It can be fully charged within only 3 hours, saving ample time. Even in a high output state, this compressed air duster can operate for up to 30 minutes. No more compressed air can. This AFMAT air duster is really a great replacement for compressed air can. Firstly, this air duster is reusable and more environmentally friendly. Secondly, this air duster can be used thousands of times, resulting in saving a lot of money on compressed air cans. Third, the compressed air can contain water vapor, which is not suitable for some electronic instruments. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.